Welcome. In front of me is the brand new Xiaomi Mi Band 7, and today I will show you just a quick unboxing of this product. So anyway, let's just get straight to it. Okay, so that's basically all we get in here now. Just for everybody to power it on, you actually just need to use the charger. As you probably are aware, there is no buttons on the device. So just plug it in. I do have a little hub off the screen, so I'll need to... Hopefully I can still catch it. There we go. And that's about it. Now, I really wanted to show you just a comparison between the previous generation and this one, because I did think that there might be really close, but it actually looks this one looks a bit better. So I'm trying to show you the bezels on the display, but it's really hard with this kind of semi-curved glass. But the display basically has like minimal bezels, and it is round. The shape of the watch itself, though the bottom bezel is a little bit thicker, so it'll be really fantastic. There we go. You can kind of see it in this perspective. So the more like goldish color is basically the actual display. So there's the bezel right here. So yeah, so the display is quite big. And though the design and the UI is virtually the same, so nothing changes here. And overall, the design of the watch hasn't changed at all. As you can see, it's still just basically the same band style. The size, I do think, actually is a little bit wider. I feel like the previous ones might have been thinner, but it might be just me. I am uncertain about it. Now, when it comes down to the actual size, it is written on the box that this is a, what was it, 7 or 1.7 inch, I think. I did see it somewhere. Oh no, never mind. I was looking at the wrong one. Never mind. Anyway, let's just quickly see. We got some little modes right here. So we have sports, 100+ exercise modes, and outdoor exercise performances, and we have water resistance up to 50 meters. That's actually really nice, a really decent one. Reliable sleep information recording, just a sleep monitoring, as almost every device has, and magnetic charging. Now, I wouldn't really call that a feature, considering basically like every smartwatch has that. So, at least every decent smartwatch. And at this point, this basically approaches a decent smartwatch. And additionally, I will mention that the price of this thing is absolutely minuscule compared to like any other smartwatch. And additionally, the benefit of having something like this is the fact that the battery on this thing is absolutely amazing. So this will most likely get, I'm actually just gonna pull these numbers out of my 4 letters, but based on like previous generations, they only improve battery life. So before you could get up to a month of battery life with the Smartband, so I'm expecting here to be very similar. The reason for it having just this Xiaomi operating system on here as a Wear instead of like Wear OS is because of the battery life. And if you compare it to something like I have as an example, let me just pull it out, which is dead, aptly for this video, this will get maybe 2 days max. and I mean max, with everything turned off. Obviously it might look a little bit more stylish, but that's one, up to preference, and two, you basically pay for style instead of functionality of a smartwatch. The functionality should be there first, not the other way around. So this basically takes it to another level with a battery life, which is one of the most important parts, I would think. So anyway, not much more to say. This was just a simple unboxing. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.